How to cancel ChatGPT subscription. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your settings. At the very top, you'll find your Apple ID. Open it. Now go ahead and open this option, Subscriptions. Now in this page, you will be able to find different sections. Under Active Subscription, you will find the option of ChatGPT. Click on that. With that, you will get the option of Cancel Subscription. Clicking on that option, you will get the pop-up Confirm Cancellation. Click on Confirm. With that, you have just cancelled subscription for your ChatGPT account. As if right now I don't have any subscription, so it is showing nothing over here. But in the case you do have subscription, it will appear in this page, and following the steps you will be able to cancel the subscription. Well, that's all for this video. This is how you can cancel ChatGPT subscription. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.